Last one was a real hardcore segment, so this time we're just gonna take it nice and easy, just some soft core fun and games. We're gonna go through your multidimensional anatomy and we're gonna learn different ways of breathing your parts together, just so you get to merge different currents, different frequencies. And get yourself cozy, because we're gonna lie down and we're gonna have a very gentle, 9-dimensional Antakarana Kundalini activation. This is not one of those wacky Kundalini awakenings when your whole spine is shaking and you're doing all the funky stuff. No, this is going to be properly opening up different parts of your natural, organic, eternal life anatomy. And then from then on, those natural currents will just start to gently, sub-frequency by sub-frequency, awaken and permeate your biofield. So this one's going to be a nice one.